April 10th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, you would not be embarking on this part of your journey if indeed you are not ready to learn that which I have been anxiously waiting to share with each of you. I know that you have a million questions, and answer them I will in good time. First things first, though, my little ones. As seekers of truth, you must come to me for the answers you are seeking, for only I know precisely where each of you are on the pathway to the divine. It is crucial you be ever mindful of that which will create barriers to your higher consciousness. As you turn inward more and more, you will master that which is necessary in order to transcend in your own awareness. As a result, many blessings will be bestowed upon each of you. These blessings will be an exact proportion to your own level of understanding. Last September, I alerted you to Kids Kingdom. Yes, in order for you to fully comprehend my kingdom, you must be like the little children who enter into the world unscathed and are fully immersed in my kingdom. In truth, upon birth, they are very much connected to that which is of the spiritual plane. That is why when you seek answers from the little ones, you indeed see that which is of me. Soon this world as you know it will pass away. Those with like minds, those who allow their higher consciousness to manifest, will be one with all who reign in my kingdom. My spirit is in you, and you are in me. You have been created in my image. The secrets I am about to reveal to you will be like putting the pieces of a puzzle together. These secrets are available for all who are ready to accept the truth, for all who are willing to rise above the temporal. Your learning curve and experiences you have now will be as they were in the beginning. You will see such as you have not seen before, and as before, you will be filled with holy enthusiasm. Study, dear ones, the book of Thomas, verse by verse. Much of what you read, you will have read before. Yet, with your heightened awareness, what you read will be seen and understood as though you have heard it for the first time. Be open to what is in store for each of you. Relish in that which is being shown you. I will not fail you. Do not worry so about that which you cannot control. Simply pray, believing all is as it should be. When you allow your higher consciousness to supersede that which is of the third dimension, you will find your own behaviors will manifest in direct proportion to your belief. Therefore, when you exercise your divine sense, you must trust in what you hear. Every person is on their own distinct journey. Those who have ears to hear, those who entrust in what they hear, will experience my blessings in exact proportion to their own belief. Do you understand? Old behaviors will disintegrate as if into thin air. You need not do anything for this to happen, as I am molding you and shaping you into that which our Father desires. My earth angels have always known that which is the reality. Now I ask you to delve deeper into my kingdom. There are many spirits who reside in my kingdom. Your holy energy will increase tenfold as you join with those who reign with me. Yes, there are many who long to connect with each of you. It has always been there for you to see. Those who have eyes to see, let them see. Go now, embrace the day. Share with one another that which you know to be true. What an exciting adventure this will be. Thank you for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 149 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels books, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.